Hello, my name is Andy Johnson. I'm assistant head here and my role is data and outcomes. When students join our school, we make sure that we give them the highest aspirations possible. Part of my job is to look at the data the students come in with, their Key Stage 2 data, for example, and to set challenging targets that mean that they are going to outcompete those competing with them nationally, so that we are always striving for students to get the very, very best outcome for them, regardless of their starting point. After I've set those targets, it's then my job to make sure that we are tracking the students against those targets. So I spend a lot of my time looking at the assessment data and deciding if students are on track to beat or miss their targets. If there is a worry that we think a student maybe is going to miss their target, then that allows us to put intervention in place. And equally, if we feel that a student is coasting and doing well and attaining their aspirational target, then we can increase it. Because what we always want to do is to maintain this really high expectation. Um, I then have the job where I then check with teachers and hold teachers to account for the data that they produce. So we want, again, ensuring that students are always attending at their very best. It's my job to hold those teachers to account to make sure that the teaching in every lesson is outstanding and that the progress is outstanding, which is what we expect at NIA. As a learner moves through our school, excuse me, we will use data to help advise them on courses, to add layers of support, and essentially help them to craft the career path that they want to move towards. Data and outcomes is all about high expectations, high aspirations, and making sure that our students leave us with an absolute multitude of choices because their results allow them to move on to anything that they want to in their lives. We look forward to seeing you at NIA.